Mr. Ott wanted us to learn, and we, Mr. Pat,
Devyn,
Andrew,
from his first period chemistry, have learned to an A levels.
The following concepts from chapter 17 and 19 of our chemistry book. This is not an inclusive list, but my section of concepts from each chapter that I will remember. Oh, chapter 17, thermochemistry. Thermochemistry is the study of energy change that occurs during a chemical reaction. In this chapter, we also learn that heat is the energy passing between two things. Heat always flows from the warmer object to the colder object. And in endothermic reactions, heat flows into the thing, and in exo, it flows out of the the system. And we also learn that heat is commonly measured in calories and joules. A calorie is a thing. And we learned about specific heat. Specific heat is a thing needed, is the amount of heat needed to raise the 1 gram of the substance 1 degree Celsius. Mr. Pat.
Now, Mr. Pat's got chapter 18, and that's about reaction rates and equilibrium. I'm turning into Batman. In this chapter, we learned how to measure the speed of any change that occurs. Reactants will always try to reach the activated complex to turn into a product. Only a fool wouldn't know that. Now, Mr. Pat learned more things, but Mr. Pat's tired, so I'm going to tell you what his favorite thing was. Now, remember this, because only a fool will forget this rule. Change occurs at different rates.
Pity the fool. You pity the fool.
I'll pity the fool.
Chapter 19 was acids, bases, and salts. This chapter described the relationship between acids, bases, and salts in solutions. I learned the operations to correctly use a solution of a known concentration to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. This process is called titration and is widely applicable in modern chemistry. Quite impressive if you ask little old me.
That was my favorite.